Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I'm gonna have a very quick and a fast vlog for you guys. I wanted to share this day with you. It's my daughter's birthday. She's turning 6 and I have a few things that I wanted to show you as well. We are not having a big party like usual. Only grandparents are coming over to say happy birthday to her, and that's all. I'm gonna go around the house and I'm gonna show you what I have done or which garlands I kept for Nikole's birthday. So let's go. It's pretty gloomy, but this is what I have on my mantle right here next to my fireplace, or around my fireplace. This is a double stuffed balloon garland. That's the colors that Nikole picked. I made this video about like 2 weeks ago and it's still looking very nice and it's going very strong. The only balloons that are kind of like giving up on me are these smaller size light purple ones. I did remove some, and some like these kind of deflated, and I decided not to change them. This sign over here, you guys, oh, this is so beautiful. This sign is from Wood Shop Guy. This is a family owned business. I am so happy that they reached out to me and offered a sign, so I decided to have the sign with Nikole's name so I can repurpose this in her room as well. This is a very nice quality sign, great quality painting, and it's pretty thick, even though it's you know, it's not flimsy, but you need to, it's delicate. Not delicate that it's gonna fall in your hands, but you need to be careful with it as well. I kind of placed this sign on my acrylic stand and rested on my balloons. This is definitely not the safest way to hang or place this sign. I would love to extend it, but I don't have hooks in the back, and it's very hard to attach hooks in the back on my mantle. And if I'll hang or extend this sign from my balloon garland, it will weigh everything down. These acrylic stands, you guys, I am in love with them. They've been here for 2 weeks and I love them. Nothing changed the inside, none of the flowers went flame, and I love them. I will link everything and list everything in the description under the video. Here is another balloon garland that I kept for Nikole's birthday. It's very pretty. These are metallic crystal balloons. These are translucent balloons but with colors. I absolutely love the colors. Very springy, very pretty. And next door over here, this is one of my recent balloon garlands. I just removed tassels. If you remember, I had tassels over here, so I kind of removed them to have more room between the table and tassels so they wouldn't be in a way. And this is my first balloon garland that I extended from my ceiling. I haven't removed hooks from my ceiling. We'll see how that's gonna go, because I heard some people didn't like those hooks. They didn't have luck removing them properly, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. That's all I have. Let's go finish one tres leches cake that I have, one of many, I guess. One more thing, you guys, before I go and finish up the cake. These are new plates from Eco Buddies. I remember I reviewed these spoons, knives, and forks. This is a new product from their company. These are biodegradable wooden plates. I wish these smaller plates would be a little bit bigger. But this bigger plate, it looks pretty big, and it's pretty sturdy as well. We'll see as we go. Disposable wooden plates, 100 poplar wood, eco-friendly, biodegradable, compostable, chemical and dye free from Eco Buddies. And there are 50 round plates, 6 and 10 1/4 inch, so 25 of each. I will link them in the description under the video. Папа, что ты думаешь про эти тарелочки? What do you think about them?
Ну, классно, а чё?
He's saying it's pretty cool.
Ну, все, комплект положено.
Yep, neat. Update. Mom over here, she's testing the forks because that's her first time, and she's saying that the form of the fork is very comfortable, but I agree with her. It kind of doesn't slide on your lips. It kind of gets stuck, and it's not the best feeling. You know what I mean? With plastic, it's kind of like going out and in and out very, very easily.
Очень удобная форма.
She's saying
очень
the form is very, very comfortable. Nothing's falling, and I agree. It's like half a
Держится, не
spoon.
объезжает. Еда держится хорошо.
Yep. So, expert right here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nikole. Happy birthday to you.
Going down the memory lane, and Nikole decided to give everybody a job to do.
Yep.
All right, this is your present.
Yep.
Your table, chairs,
Except this is
two engineers right here trying to figure this out.
Yeah.
Vita, any success? Comments?
Not yet.
Not yet. We'll see. Supervise. Go.
Заведено на улице и говорит, вдруг ураган или что, как передадут, в магазинах ни еды, ни воды, ничего, говорит, нет.
She's testing. Test. Second chair. Opa. Good? Almost there. Hey girl! How do you like your table? Good? You guys, I will link this table and chairs. Honestly, this is cute. Better than I expected to be, honestly. This is really good. And these guys who constructed the whole thing, they said it's pretty good quality. So that's good. Happy? Your final goodbyes right now. And fly away. This is it, you guys. Our gathering is over. We had such a great time with our parents and my brother. It's so nice to spend some time, you know, and kind of put our minds away and off of all the things that are happening around us right now. We haven't seen all experience in quite some time, so it was nice to reconnect and talk to my parents and my brother and just be together, you know. We went through a lot of printed pictures. I used to make a lot of albums. I would just print a big amount of pictures and just put them into albums. It was so nice to go down the memory lane and remember everything that was happening before, you know, wedding, when we were dating, kids were born, hospital pictures. I mean, so much fun. I need to catch up to all the years that I missed printing pictures from. So you guys, Eco Buddies, love their plates. I really do love their plates, bigger size plates. I feel like they are much more useful and more comfortable to carry food, unless if you're going to be using smaller plates for like one piece of cake. For us as Slavic people, we love to have a lot of sweets and a lot of dessert, so that one plate would not hold that much dessert that, for example, I had today. Unless you're gonna go grab one piece of cake, eat it, go back to grab another one, just like one by one. Quality of those plates, great. I tried to rip one of the plates, and guess what? I had to put a lot of force to do so. So I didn't notice any misshaping after food was laid on plates. It held its shape, it was pretty sturdy. The only thing that I wish smaller plates were a little bit bigger, just like an inch or so, I don't know, in my opinion. You know how I feel about EcoBuddy's utensils, wooden utensils. They are really, really nice. I like the fork a lot. Even my mom loved the fork very much. She said it was very comfortable. It held food pretty well. The only minus, as I said, when you put your fork with food into your mouth and you're trying to pull out your fork, lips are getting stuck. It's more comfortable to eat your food from smoother surfaces. I hope it makes sense, because I don't know how to explain this. I really like the utensils. Knife cuts really well. Spoons, if you leave your spoons for a certain time in your liquids, they will absorb the liquid and they will flatten themselves and they will be flat. Great quality, everything from EcoBuddies. I've really enjoyed working with them. Thank you so much, EcoBuddies. They will be linked in the description under the video. Thank you, Wood Shop Guy, for sending me this beautiful sign. This is my second sign from the Wood Shop Guy, and I am repurposing Nicole's name in her room. We are remodeling her room very, very soon. We want to repaint the walls, and I want to do some cute things, and I want to place her name, that wooden sign, on the wall. So the cut on the name is very sharp and nice. Painting, beautiful, and it came to our house very, very well packaged. I mean, no problems there. Thank you again for sending me this beautiful sign. You can find them on Instagram. That's it, you guys. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for staying with us and celebrating with us Nicole's 6th birthday. Time flies, you guys. Time flies. If you have any additional questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, like usual, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, just hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you all back very soon with another balloon creation. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.